In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your profile picture private on Facebook. So if you want to control who can see your profile photo or even hide it from everyone except yourself, then keep watching because I'll walk you through the entire process. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open your profile. After that, tap on your profile picture again and then select See Profile Picture. This will open your current profile photo in full screen. Now look for the three dots in the top right corner and tap on them. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Edit Privacy. Once you're on the privacy settings page, you'll see different options for who can view your profile picture. Depending on your current settings, it may be set to public or friends by default. If you want only your Facebook friends to see your profile picture, select Friends. If you want even more privacy, you can choose Only Me, which means nobody else will be able to view your profile picture except you. Choose the privacy option that works best for you, and then tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. After that, your new privacy settings will take effect immediately, and your profile picture will only be visible to the audience you've selected. And that's how you can make your profile picture private on Facebook. It's a quick and easy way to protect your privacy and control who can view your profile information. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.